Hey everyone, it's Saima from Art by SH. Today I am thrilled to share with you the painting process of this adorable baby girl portrait. This piece was a commission for a client in Australia, and I recorded the process to show you all how I brought this portrait to life. I know some of you have been waiting for this tutorial, so dive right in. First, I want to show you the final result. Isn't gorgeous? I am really proud of how it turned out. Now let's go back to the beginning and see how I got here. I started with the detailed drawing on the canvas. I used a range of color including maple yellow, yellow ochre, portrait tones, rose pink, vermilion, black and titanium white. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, each color played a crucial role in bringing this portrait to life. I used the flat brush to apply the paint, started with the face. I used the black acrylic color for the detailed drawing of eyes. Now I'm going to close up and show you how I drawn the eyes, and as you can see I have outlined it with the black paint. To show the distance between eyes and nose, I'm using the dark tones. Now I am blending all the colors. Again I am giving the detail in eyes. So I am using the ochre color and little bit orange. Now I am adding the darks and light tones to give it 3D shape. Again I am doing more blending because when the colors blend in each other, so it gives a realistic look. For the eyes, I used a small brush to paint the details. To define the light, medium and darker area of the skin, here what I did. For lighter area, I use a mix of titanium white and tiny bit of yellow ochre to give a warm natural highlight. I moved on to the nose, where I added some detailed drawing to give it more realistic look. For the darker area, I used the vermilion. I blended all the tones together, lighter, medium and darker tone. After blending them, it will be able to create the realistic look. Now I drawn the outline of the lips. It's also a detailed drawing with defining the darker area. Okay guys, now I have started painting on the secondary eye. So as you can see, I have outlined the eyes with black paint using a small brush. I have also added detail to the eyebrow. So detailed drawing of eye procedure is going on. Now let's talk about the coloring process. To give a 3D look to the eyeball, it is essential to understand where the light and the dark tones are coming from, and where is the reflected light is coming from. Here for the darker tone, I am mixing vermilion color with black, and for light tones I am mixing reddish brown with titanium white. And where is the actual light? I'm not adding any other color. I'm directly using titanium white. Next, I moved on to the nose, where I added some detailed drawing to give it a more realistic look. To define the light, medium and darker area of the skin, here I would like to explain you. For lighter area, I use a mixture of titanium white and a little bit of yellow ochre, which give warm and natural highlights. And for medium area, I balanced with titanium white and yellow ochre and little bit pink. It gives a perfect skin tones. For darker area, to show the shadows, I added touch of pink and hint of burnt sienna to the medium mix to create a natural shadows effect. Darkest area, for example, under the nose, I use mix of burnt amber with medium tones and give a realistic depth. After that, I worked on the hair. using dark and light brown tones to create a natural, effortless look. I added some highlights and shadows to give it some depth and dimension. And then I painted the lips using red and pink tones to give them a natural rosy color. These variations helped create a 3D effect, making the lips look full and lifelike. I used layered and blending techniques with a small flat brush to achieve smooth transition between these tones. As you guys know, this is a commission work, which means I had to make sure the client was happy with every step of the process. So you should keep in touch with your client. Finally, I added the finishing touches to complete the portrait. The final procedure is going on. Here I am blending and smudging with a large flat brush. I done my signature here. Here is the final look. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys love it too. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this portrait from start to finish. If you have any question or want to see more content like this, please let me know in a comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. Thanks for your watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.